Yeah, so how was the experience?
We had a lot of fun.
A lot of fun? No, construction is not fun.
Oh no, construction
Yeah.
is not fun.
Yeah.
Well, I wasn't home. So for me, every time I come home, it was new. And then, Ray, you guys did a really good job.
Thank you.
From beginning to the end, you knew what needed to go in first, and then what next, and who was best at their job. And everyone was excellent, and they did a really good job.
It's much open right now, really. It's like
It's
since
brighter.
since you guys pick up light colors, bright colors, and yeah, it feels like much bigger than it was before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's our dream, the bathroom.
Yeah.
Picked out everything and you made it happen, so it looks amazing.
Yeah.
What's the best part for you in this bathroom?
Oh,
What do you like?
probably the tub.
The tub, right?
Yeah,
I also said
Sam's,
tub.
it's my favorite. And
Yeah.
then the shower, of course, is
And the shower.
beautiful.
Shower.
And I like our temperature controlled shower.
Oh, that's really fancy. The
Yeah.
temperature on the knob, and then the tile, and going all the way to the top.
All the way to
It's
the
really
top.
beautiful.
Job.
Yeah. And remember in the beginning we thought to leave everything here, and
the
then
stop.
in the last minute we decided to go over
All the way up,
all
yeah.
the way. I think it's a.
It looks
it's a-
so much better.
Yeah, I think
Smart.
this is smart decision, and I like how the tile flow here same direction
All
and
the way.
going up to the wall.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Oh yeah, and even the soap,
The shower.
the shower, whatever.
The shampoo.
It's same. It's same leveled.
Yeah.
It looks like one piece. It looks
So
good.
one of the main concerns of our old bathroom was that the water wouldn't go down. So we made sure that, you know,
It
your
sloped.
people did
Oh,
it
yeah, yeah,
really
sloped
perfect.
down.
So it's
Yes.
and added new lights.
New lights.
New lights
New
here.
lights, new lights here.
Vent in the bathroom. We got a new toilet.
The vent in the bathroom works. Yeah, it's.
We're
Yeah.
very happy with everything.
I like how we passed the final inspection. It's a,
So easily.
It's a COVID style final
Yeah.
inspection. Inspector was like, "Can you send me pictures?"
Yeah.
I just sent him a few pictures. You're good, guys.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
the one thing I was surprised was I didn't realize how much work went into doing the bathrooms, like you doing the chicken wire and the
Yes.
hot mop and all that.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
And
yeah.
I think one of the reasons we chose you was because you are licensed and getting the permits was really important in case we ever do decide to sell the house.
I mean, if you want to do it right, you want to do it
Do
right.
it, yeah.
I mean,
I got, you
all
know,
the
like
steps.
what,
Yeah.
15 quotes from so many contractors.
Oh my
so.
god! So what? It's really interesting. What was the reason that you choose me out of 15? You say?
Yeah, out of 15 people. One is that you were the first to get the quotes and you were so organized. You had all the paperwork, everything that we needed to be checked off. And I saw all of your reviews were excellent. And
Thank
so,
you.
yeah, I just felt good. You
Thank
seemed like
you.
a nice guy.
Thank you, guys.
No, thank you. Yeah,
This is amazing.
good job. No, it looks.
But then,
amazing.
you know, we like got to know you. We're like, forget this guy. Are you kidding me? And it's the most beautiful tiles, beautiful shower. It's just fabulous like me. And check out my closet. Wow. I'm fabulous. My name's Taz.